Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out 10 very pretty hairstyle ideas that you can wear this spring and summer season. So first up we have someone who has beautiful money piece highlights in the front portion of the hair, and the stylist is simply adding in some tape-in hair extensions. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the cascading waves, lots of texture and body to the hair. And then next up we have this really pretty half up, half down style. Now this would be a great hairstyle for if you are going to prom this season. I am going to have a full prom hair video, so be on the lookout for that. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. And of course, be sure to like today's video. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a chic, fun way to rock your hair this season. And then next up, we have several different ways that you can wear short hair. So she is rocking a pixie, and here is some of the ways that she has managed to style it. The finger waves is a retro 20s style, and it has definitely made a comeback. And then here we see the super long braid hair trend, also known as the jumbo braid. And this is a great hairstyle to try out for a night of fun, followed by another great hair trend that you might want to try, and that is rocking a wig. So she's going to be putting in a beautiful mint green colored wig. So one of the trends that we're going to be seeing this year involves bold colored hair. And if you want to try out some of these colors without risking damaging your hair, a wig is a great option to try out the look without making that commitment. So the stylist is combing in or combing out the curls. Beautiful. I think that would also be a fun look for prom if you wanted to kind of like how she has here, the long gown, the purse. I am just loving this look. That is definitely a vibe. So then we have a simple and easy claw clip style. As you guys know, the claw clips have managed to make a return. And then this is Melissa, Missy Sue Blog, who is also showing us a claw clip style. This is a great everyday hair option if you're looking for something easy to do. And then we have a very pretty bubble braided style. Now with that one, you can use colored rubber bands for a fun pop of color. And then we have this unicorn mystical hairstyle. Absolutely love the yellow and pink and the pigtails. It's so cute. So then we have another half up, half down style. This one features twist. And that would be another great hairstyle option for prom. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.